What's going on, everybody? John Stamper. All right, we are here. It is Dytron's 2024 National Symposium, and as promised, there are a lot of innovative, exciting companies that are here all around the world of implant dentistry, and so wanted to get this started. Very excited to be with Jorge Hernandez, who is the Regional Business and Sales Manager for Shining3D. Jorge, how you doing?
Good. Yeah, excited to be here. We're really happy that we have this new partnership with Dytron. Excited to see people and check out our technology.
I love it. So let's jump right in. So talk about Shining3D, what you guys are doing, what's exciting, all that good stuff.
Sure, yeah. So Shining3D, it's a 3D scanning and printing company. We started in 2004, opened offices and operation here in 2017. We have an office in Tampa and one in San Francisco, California. So we're a 3D scanning and 3D printing company. So we manufacture 3D scanners from intraoral scanners, desktop scanners, and then 3D printers. It's an open ecosystem, and what we want to do is, be able to provide customizable and simple solutions for doctors to be able to digitize all their workflow.
What has that been like to move a lot of the doctors from analog to digital? I mean, quite a big, trek, but I mean, it's been exciting to see kind of this momentum shift.
Yeah, I agree. So it's definitely been a transition, but I think everyone's understanding now what 3D scanning and 3D printing does. We're very much focused on education. We want our doctors, our end users to understand what the technology does, and of course the added value that it brings to them under daily workflow.
Yeah. So talk a little bit about the relationship with Dytron and how you're working together and how those pieces fit.
Yeah, absolutely. So Dytron, of course, being an implant company, we are the 3D scanning, or I guess the data acquisition part. So what we want to do is we're bundling a solution for dentists. So they're going to have the implants, they're going to have our products, and it's going to make it easier for them to, of course, get this data, send it to a software, to a system, and at the end of the day, be able to just maximize their production and daily workflow.
Awesome. Can you talk a little bit about, like, when you bring a new customer on and they start using,
Sure.
the technology, like, what's some of the initial feedback?
Oh, well, they love what we're doing. I mean, I think the great thing about our products is they're, the learning curve, it's a pretty, I would say, fast learning curve. And the user experience overall is one of the things that we really emphasize on. The good thing about our products, or the company in general, is the infrastructure that we have. So we have application engineers that are pretty much ready to help the customers 24/7, because not just having the offices in the States, but having offices worldwide, we have a 24/7 support system.
So when you look at all of that coming together to help these doctors, is there one thing that you can say that is like it is your thing, whether it be the technology, the customer service, or what have you, that is just like you guys get right pretty much all the time?
I would say the technology and the support, yes, customer service. It's very important to get a product out, in the hands of the doctor, but if we cannot support it, if we don't have the infrastructure, the people behind it, the company that has that support, then at the end of the day, we're not going to be able to utilize the system or the product the right way.
What are a couple of the things that you've learned that when a doctor starts to use the system that maybe are just a couple helpful tips of, like, to really kind of help them accelerate and minimize that learning curve to use the technology?
Right. I think the most important thing is, learning the right scan path. But overall, like I said, we do have application engineers that are ready to onboard these doctors. So learning curve is going to be really fast. All they have to do is reach out to us. We'll make sure that we walk them through the workflow and just makes, again, their daily practice or their scans pretty much really simple.
I love it. All right, can you let everybody know how they can learn more about Shining3D, like there's a demo process or all that good stuff?
Yeah, absolutely. So if everyone wants more information about Shining3D, they can reach out to us via our portal. They can go through our website at shining3d.com. We also have a support email that they can get more information on. That's dental_support at shining3d.com.
Got it.
And we'll be happy to answer any questions that they have about the technology, and of course how we can bundle our products with Dytron's.
It's exciting. Jorge, thanks so much for taking the time. Looking forward to the next couple of days. Hope you guys have a lot of great conversations with the doctors. And
yeah.
We'll talk to you soon.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having us.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah.